Today was the first of 2 days of callbacks. I've been doing kind of preliminary go-sees, vetting all the girls before they get here. Today our big bosses and stylists and designers are here, all seeing the models just to do a once-over to make the final selection for the show. Well, clearly you have to have an amazing body and good hair, good proportions, great skin. Everything has to be perfect. You also have to have that kind of hard to define kind of it factor, which is just like an amazing shining personality. Like you get one quick chance to walk into the room and light up the room and capture everybody's attention. So you kind of have to bring it, and that's what you need.
It's always nerve-wracking, there's a panel of people got to walk and stuff. But they're lovely, they're awesome, and it's like a family. I actually did the show last year, so a little bit of experience underneath my belt, and yeah, it's fun.
I am quite nervous because I haven't done the show for a while, but exciting. It's really exciting just to see all the girls as well. So it's just good energy.
I grew up watching Victoria's Secret show, and it was such a daydream, and it takes you to this like fantasy world that you want to be a part of. So now that I'm actually here doing the casting, and last season was my first show, it's quite a memorable experience.
This is not my first time being here in the Victoria's Secret casting. This would be about my third time casting for the show, but it's always a really nervous situation.
Kind of excited, I guess, because it would be my first time, so it's kind of cool to sort of see what goes into this kind of huge production that you always see and hear about.
It's really a long process for us, and we have a group of women that we work with all year long. And they're, some of the girls that you see every year, Adriana Lima, Alessandra Ambrosio, and we know that they're going to be in the show. Then we just have a few slots that are available. So the casting, we really start thinking about it a year in advance, and we see girls all year long. But during these 2 days, we see all the callbacks, all the girls that we've liked throughout the year, the girls that we might have seen in magazines or in other shows, or that we have shot ourselves that we wanted to try for the runway. So it's a long process.
It's more than a show, it's an extravaganza. There's performers, there's the lights, camera, action, there's backstage, there's in front, and all the people there as well, audience, you kind of look at it, and it's just a complete celebrity audience, which is amazing to do that. Put on a show for that kind of people.
I actually did it my first time when I was 20, so that was 2008. Amazing show. We went to Miami. You can believe all of the girls flying together, just being there for 4 days, being able to have fun, meet the people, just had a good time. It was a beautiful time. People, actually the S people is really nice and treat you like family. So it's the most wonderful thing to feel comfortable with the client that you work with.
I wasn't quite as nervous as I was excited because I had all my friends backstage, and when I found out that I was walking to the performers, I was like, I'm walking in the middle basically of a concert. So, that pumped the adrenaline up, and I was just super ecstatic being there and, having my friends and family in the crowd to cheer me on.
Last year I got to walk in the 2011 show for Victoria's Secret. It was a dream come true for mine. I've always been passionate about working with Victoria's Secret, and it's, for any model, it's a dream come true to walk for Victoria's Secret. It was so exciting. It was such a great energy, and it's so much fun. That's why I love it so much. I love the show so much.
It's really fun, I think, to walk in because you're allowed to sort of enjoy yourself, and not that other shows really prevent you from that, but they really sort of encourage it. So it's kind of cool.